Right, wait.
That's it. Sorry, I've got my shin guards.
And, you know, the cameraman always experiences the roughest part of the journey.
Right, let's go. Arnie.
Because I'm that good.
Am I going first?
I'm like
You're going first.
I'm like the A-team, I'm professional. BA Baraka.
And tell us what it's like.
I tear the food out, raise it.
No, we're all going to go.
We're all going in.
If you can hear it, we are going to die. Right, do you believe me now? That's Nixon shitting himself. Do you believe me now? The crows or something? Yeah.
I think we need to go with ourselves. I think we need to.
We're not going to be able
Wing
to.
on it, though.
I know, but...
Just take it in there for protection.
No, you...
You know what would be better? Taking a basket.
I'll open it, right?
Empty a basket through there and we'll take the basket in and catch him. We'll just throw him out the window with a basket. Break wings. Who cares?
Just protection or some sort.
No, it's in case one of them goes for me. Because then I can stop. Then I can stop the phone getting damaged. You know. I'm not bothered about my own safety.
No.
What about? Can you not just? These are only socks and underwear. Just lob them in that.
No, because they're clean.
Exactly.
These are all dirty.
Right now, right. We're all should go in.
Right, come on, didn't be
Yeah. Don't be scared. Have you seen them? They're huge.
No. Me and Morgan have seen them. Andrew has seen them. Sam's seen them. So Andrew.
You haven't seen them. You heard them. You said.
I went in to watch the cricket and then there was some...
There were some fucking horses with big black birds flying on the ceiling. I'm telling you. This is danger. Voltage. Viewers at home, be quiet. This is going straight on you.